Hey, we're at the Marquee Show 2018, looking at some of the cool things in Exhibit Hall, but we're going to break away from that for just a second because I just got out of Eric's session here. Eric, you were up there talking about social media.
Yeah.
Great topic, great information, but at the end, you shared something that I heard a little bit about, but tell us a little bit more about your training courses.
Yeah, so we have 2 courses, one for social media, how to kind of grow your business with social media advertising. And whenever I learned how to kind of get into social media advertising, there wasn't a lot of courses out there that had line-by-line item, what to do, how to set up Facebook correctly, how to set up, tie it in with Instagram and YouTube. So I built like a whole course online, really simple and easy to kind of go over all those aspects, about how to actually set up a proper sales funnel, Facebook, even some secrets for Instagram as well too. Mm-hmm. And then I have also another bridal show course. So with people that advertise on bridal shows or trade shows, basically we're going to do how to 5X your bridal show leads and sales. So we started the branding company basically into the trade show world, so I know all about that aspects, the ins and outs of it, and we do it very, very successfully. And actually, I showed everyone in there how one of my ads generated over $30,000 in 2 weeks by tying it in with the bridal show as well. So the main thing is you doing proper social media advertising and then tying it in with the bridal show can be very, very successful for people as well too.
And you mentioned showing the clicks and such and your rate per click.
Yeah.
You were talking about Facebook Ad Manager, which is very, very complicated.
Yeah.
Now, an area in which I know a lot of you struggle, you're looking at Facebook and all these different things, and sometimes you need some coaching and help.
Yeah,
that's something that they could come to you also, and you could help them with that.
Yeah, so we actually have one-on-one coaching. We call it a fast-track mentoring program, whether it be a 30-day, 60-day, or a 90-day. We even do it for a 6-month or a year if they really want to keep on continuing on. Just like with our branding company, we have other companies that pay us money to run all their stuff for them. Mm-hmm. Same concept, but basically trying to get them on their fast track by themselves, because a lot of people want to kind of do things on themselves and learn a little bit more. So that's what we're here to do. So if you purchase one of the courses, you can do one of the mentorship programs as well. So we'll actually do one-on-one calls with you at all times. You have full access to me. So if you need to call me, you have my cell phone, and then even from there we do weekly phone calls. We'll strategize an entire script together for your creative. We actually will build out the funnel for them. We'll actually do the whole creative for them as well too. You go over all the ad copywriting. We'll do everything for you, and then make sure you understand everything else, and then let the little birdie fly out of the nest, Right. That's pretty much what it comes down to.
Oh, that's for sure. I mean, I've looked at a couple of programs where it's basically you start, and then you're supposed to be with it forever. And sometimes you just want to have that jump start and then let you go.
Yeah, exactly. Not everyone wants to be tied in forever. Mm-hmm. No one really has that attention to detail. They just don't want to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, listen, we have a 30, 60, 90, really quick and easy. Or if you want to do a 6-month or a year, you can do that as well. So we're here to basically be your babysitter. And you're like, Eric, this ad's not generating enough leads as I thought it was. So we'll dive into it. We'll look at it. This ad copy's not really working for you. So let's change the wording here. Let's do another test here. And then split testing, people don't understand how important it is when you're doing social media advertising. If you're not always testing things and doing a split test, whether it be your landing page and your ads, maybe this button is working better because it's green rather than red, because red means stop. Yep. I mean, there's a lot of psychological aspects when it comes to social media advertising, and to touch base on it in 50 minutes is impossible.
Yeah, exactly. It was impossible. Good information, but there's just so much more.
Oh, absolutely. There is.
So Eric, if they want to find out more information or where they can check out the courses, where can they go to check those out?
Go to wenningmethod.com. So WENNING method.com. That's really simple and easy. So it's just like wedding, but with 2 N's.
We'll put those links and such in the description below so you guys can go check them out. But we are at the Marquee Show here in 2018.